Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mfon, and today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing salad that is loaded with nutrients and vitamins that our body needs to heal and repair. Let me tell you, the ingredients in this salad is so good that you would want to make it every day. I've been eating it a couple of times now and I'm hooked. Not just because of, I just want to eat salad, but it's fill your tummy and you're going to feel good. And if you have digestive issues, this salad is good for you. It will help you to eliminate the following day. You feel good after using the bathroom. I am not kidding. So give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you're going to make this salad, because I know after showing you, you would want to make it, because the ingredients, like I said before, is good and it will help support your health. So the ingredients are here. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it. And one good thing with these ingredients, when you buy them fresh from the store, it can last you for like a week. So you can be eating it as much as you want. So right now I'm taking what I need and then I'll put the rest back. This is fine. And then I'll wash it. So always remember to wash your veggies, clean them up. So here I'm washing my veggies with baking soda, so now that we have everything cleaned up, let's make this salad. First, we're going to use the spring mix. That's fine. Put that aside. And next, we're going to use the red leaf lettuce. So you don't cut it so small. Just like this. It's fine. Just like this. Next, we have the Dyno Kale. So I'm gonna cut it. Lacinanto Kale. These are big names. And next is the Dandelion. I'll throw it away. So you can Google these veggies and see for yourself how good they are. Next, we have our dill. So I'm gonna throw that away. Next, we have Radicchio. That's enough. When you make your salad with varieties of colors, I mean, you would like it. So that is in. Next we have tomatoes. I think one is fine. And the tomatoes I'm using is tomatoes on the vine, because this vine still gives life to the tomatoes. So when you use your tomatoes, you gotta use the one that is on the vine, tomatoes on the vine, because we have to be intentional about the choice of vegetables that we use on our salad, because we are eating them fresh. So you dice it like that, just not so big, not so small. Next we have peppers. I'm going to use a little of this and a little of this. So lots of these ingredients, you can see all of them at Sprout. I mean, I couldn't find some of them at Walmart. I had to get them at Sprout. So you find all of them at Sprout. So look at those colors. Look at those colors. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, I like it. Next we have a cucumber. I've already used this one, so you have your cucumbers in cube form, and you garnish your salad plate with it. You need a little bit more. I think that's fine. So we have our chai seed, but before then I'm gonna cut my avocado. Let me grab my avocado. Have my avocado. So I try to use everything organic, and everything is sure organic. So you can use a full one, but if you don't want to use the full one, you leave the seed inside it. It will keep the avocado alive. So avocado is in there. This is a lot. I tell you, I eat this like 2 times. So, and next you have your chai seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle it. Organic chai seeds. As much as you can, try to eat organic, not foods that are sprayed with chemicals. Let me. And also, olives. I love olives, so I can put like 5 to 6. So and I'm also going to put seasoning to it. Italian seasoning. Let me clean this out. Ground turmeric. A little. Here I was supposed to add nutritional yeast for added protein, but I forgot. But I will still add it later. Keep watching. So next I'm gonna sprinkle key lime on it. If I make a small size, I'm gonna use half, but this is a lot, so I'm gonna use. I took out the seeds, so I'm gonna use a whole one because it's a lot. So then I'm gonna use black organic oil-free dressing. That's it. So feel free to have fun with the dressing, but try not to put something that has a lot of sugar. So I usually add this one too. It's similar to the first one. And There you have it. So this is how it will turn out. By the time you mix everything together, it's gonna be a beautiful rainbow color that you're gonna enjoy. So that's how to make it. Let me mix this up and start digging in. So this is the dressing that I have currently. The one that I love the most is finished, and this one has 2% sugar added to it. That one has 0% sugar. So I encourage people to buy the one that doesn't have sugar added to it. So I'm going to share that on the screen, and also I'm going to share the ingredients of this salad in the description box. Thanks for watching. This is it. Isn't this gorgeous? They say we eat with our eyes, and this is absolutely amazing. So I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. I like veggies a lot, and I recently uploaded a video on how to make varieties of vegetables in a simple and healthy way that I know you're gonna love. So if you're interested, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy. I forgot to put nutritional yeast, so add nutritional yeast in your own. And this recipe was inspired by a fellow YouTuber, and I love it. I hope you like it too. So I had already dig in before I remember that, so please don't forget yours. Thank you.